What's up, guys? We have a great trade review today. We're going to be going over 4 trades using the Fibonacci break of structure and overall trading with the trend. Obviously, you guys could see we had FOMC today. Had a beautiful FOMC trade using the weekly time frames. Yes, that's right. A reversal on the weekly candlestick chart, the weekly time frame, as well as some euro trades and an Australian dollar trade. I apologize if I sound a little weird. I'm sick, but I just figured while I'm sick, I might as well do something productive and get a video out there for you guys. The reel done very well. I appreciate that, guys. A lot of views. And one of the comments actually said, this is #1 bullshit. So, just want to go over. Again, we took these trades on the FTMO challenge. We're not live yet, but we will be soon. And I just want to go over this fib strategy. And you guys could see that it's not bullshit, very effective and very simple. I know strategies that are so simple. A lot of you think that couldn't possibly be this simple, but it is. So obviously, guys, on Australian dollar, we have been uptrending a bit here, and this was one of the trades that I used in a short. Actually hasn't released yet, so this video might release before the short. But as you can see here, this is actually a daily low. We're on the 1 hour time frame here. And we have a break of structure. So the first thing you want to do is identify a break of structure on the lower time frames, be it the hourly, be it the 15-minute, be it the 5-minute, be it the 1 minute if you'd like. But we identify a break of structure, then we go over to the daily time frame. We see that every previous candle is bullish, so I'd expect that we're going to push up some more. So what we do is we take the Fibonacci sequence, we take the fib, we go from the previous day low to the daily high of that day, and then we just wait for that daily candle to retrace. So we go back to the 15-minute, we have our break of structure, we mark out the low, we mark out the high, and then we wait for a retracement under that 50%. So buying a discount, some people like to say. I just like waiting for a retracement into the 618. And as you can see, we tapped into the 618. We did chop about here because we did have Australian dollar news. So I was willing to follow the daily trend during news. And as you can see, we did almost get stopped out, and then price shot up to our TP. So beautiful trade there. Now let's jump into this beautiful euro trend here. And as you guys could see, this is one of the trades that was on the shorts. But if you haven't watched the shorts, we'll go over it again. Again, this is a daily low here. We broke structure to the upside. We have our daily high, so previous day low, previous day high. We drag the fib, tapping into the 618, and then going for our take profit here. And now, wouldn't you know, this is a new low, this is a new high, and now we want to drag the fib again from low to high. It's that simple, guys. It's that simple. Of course, you have to be right with your trend, with your daily bias, but that's with everything. That's why I would say the strategy is probably more effective on the higher time frames, just a safer and sure trade. But if you look at the way the fib reacts on the 1 minute as well, super effective even for scalping on the 1 minute. Well, I was hoping this video would be a little longer if I broke down 4 trades, but it is that simple to explain. So now let's look at this YM trade I took during FOMC. And yes, it was a risk-free trade for me pretty much because we were risk-free by 2 o'clock, obviously dragging stops to break even here by 2 o'clock. So nice risk-free trade for FOMC and a beautiful flip on this weekly candle here. So just like the previous trades before, we identified a bigger break of structure. And as you can see, we've just been ranging here. I mean, nice uptrend, but nice range here after this clear expansion. So we obviously knew and we're waiting for a retracement here. And now that we had identified this break of structure, let's go down to the daily time frame, or down. Let's go up to the daily time frame to see what I was seeing. And as you guys can see, we did have previous bearish candles actually into this zone. But what made this trade so effective and why we got such a great reaction from our fib, pay attention, is because when we look on the week here, we could see that weekly candle was all the way down here, and it just didn't look right. Obviously, the past 2 weeks we've been closing bullish, so big brain me said we'll probably close bullish again. And that's just simple trend following. As you can see, we come down into the 618, retrace, and then we flip that weekly candle for a beautiful take profit. And again, this is how it looks like on the 1 hour time frame. That's a weekly candle flip right there. Well guys, if you made it this far in the video, comment 618 down below. I really do appreciate you guys. Drop a subscribe and hit the notification button. I'm going to be dropping a lot more content recently now that FTMO is back. And if you guys are interested in live trading with me, the link for the Discord is in the description. All right, guys. Peace out.